What's up, YouTube? The market fell today and it's been falling for 3 days. Do we have a crash coming? Let's just get right to it and let's address the elephant in the room, guys. Nvidia kicked ass in their earnings and the stock was dumped today. But something you are not looking at if you are the average options trader or even the average stock trader, guys, look at this, okay? So Nvidia has not only had a surprise in every single earnings report. Okay, look at these. Look at the revenue here. Look at what they've done every single time, guys. Okay, so the surprise here. This is the big one. Okay, we went from 8.5%, and now we went to 18, 29. Back to 18, 12, 9, 5, and then they took a small jump back up 8%, and then now they are at 4.96%. So talk about people being greedy on the market, guys. What does that mean to the average investor, guys? Nothing. But what does that mean to Wall Street? That means that Nvidia is taking a nice little decline in their actual estimates, guys. Look, they are not producing the dividend that they were in the past. Okay, everybody got used to this. This is what they wanted, 18% and above. And Nvidia is not doing that anymore. So of course they're going to sell it off because they see a decline. Okay. And something else that is going on. Nope. That's right. You have a brand new president. I just want to be crystal clear with you guys on what's going on. And you can see from Barron's article, everybody's talking about this. What's next for Nvidia? One big uncertainty, guys, that Nvidia is facing is that will the Trump administration follow through on policies? Okay. Now, this means that Nvidia's profits will guaranteed, this will be a guaranteed that they will go down. And if you guys remember from Trump's meeting in January 31st, okay, he said it was a great meeting, but Trump says he's going to continue, okay, and still plans on tariffing foreign manufactured semiconductors, guys. This means that Nvidia will have to pay the price. So no wonder the stock has been falling, guys. Check this out. Let's just mark off where we've had our support, where we had resistance, and of course that is correct. That is a megaphone pattern, and we did have a second line of resistance on top. In stocks trading, guys, this is what we call a downtrend. Check this out. This whole entire area here, guys, this has just been one amazing box. Okay, we deviated out of it a couple of times, but we are in officially a big ass downtrend. Look at that. Okay, now make no mistake, okay, this can keep going on, guys. Now on the daily time frame, we went under the 50-day moving average, guys. This is not good. And then we went under the 100-day moving average. This is not good. And lastly, we went under the 200-day moving average, guys. Nvidia has only done that twice previously in its history, and this was the second time right here, and now this is the third time. This is not looking good. Okay, tariffs are a real deal. This is going to cause a big profit loss for Nvidia, guys. This is not done. All right, so now I moved over, guys, to the 2-hour time frame. Okay, and you can see here we got the put signal from hell. Okay, and look at how much Nvidia has dropped every time it gets it on the 2-hour time frame, guys, with my indicator here, the Dominator. Okay, this indicator does not lie to you. It tells you the truth, guys, and we have fallen approximately $21. So on the 2-hour time frame, which is one of my favorites for swing trading, Look at this. These are big falls, $32 there, guys. And the last time before this, we fell $23. Okay. Is this done for Nvidia? Not at all, guys. Right now, I am tracking Nvidia down to about $115, guys. That is my first target for Nvidia. Target 2 is 105. Okay. This is not done. Okay. This is the real deal. Nvidia is already falling on the weekly. And if I do some basic math with Nvidia, guys, I will show you right here. The original support was this area right there. We broke it once, came back up, and now we are coming back down, guys. There is no stopping this, okay? This has nothing to do with Nvidia. This has everything to do with economics, okay? This is what happens when you have to deal with tariffs and you have to deal with a global economy, guys. That's what Nvidia has on their hands now, okay? I'm going to leave this here so we have an excellent visual of what is going on, okay? Now, if you guys follow me and you understand how these wedges work, okay? That is the wrong line. Let me move this over, okay? If you understand how these wedges work, guys, let's just take a look at the implied move and we'll see if we have a winner chicken dinner, guys. Let's check this out, okay? So the implied move from this fall here, okay, brings us down to about $85, $86, okay? And this is going to be a nice little fall. Not trying to scare anybody, but this is real stuff, guys. This is global economy. So I'm going to mark that off. And we're going to mark that off as our home run. Okay, that would be a home run if you buy puts. Let me change this up. Just notice I had it on target 1. This should be my target 2. Okay, so that would be our implied move, and Nvidia will continue down. There is nothing wrong with what's going on right now, guys, with the market. This is exactly what is supposed to happen. This is a healthy correction. Unfortunately, global economy is causing it. All right, so now let's go over to QQQ, guys. And you guys know I like playing QQQ because it has a higher ATR versus SPY. SPY moves nice, but QQQ moves nicer. Now check this out. Just because the stock market is falling does not mean you can't make money, guys. Now this is how you make money. First, we got the put signal from hell, guys. Look at that drop right there. Okay, you didn't get in up here. Okay, what I teach in my courses, guys, is you're going to look for the first wick, and then you're going to draw your line of support, which is this one, and then you're going to look for the next drop, which was this one right here. So remember, we had a wick, and then we had our support line, and then we fell. Okay, now once we're falling, guys, same thing again. This is easy. You just got to be patient. Check that out right there. We have a wick, and then we look at drawing our support line, and obviously from this wick we came up and we started breaking that support again, guys. And this is the best one here. Okay, this support line, we had 2 candles. Okay, they stayed down for a while and then they came up. Okay, and this is the biggest sign, guys, of bearish sentiment. I'm going to show you how I told everybody in the bull ring today that we were going to have a nice big fall, and sure enough we did. Check that out. I mean, we even broke that support line. We came up here, and you notice we didn't do that up here. We didn't hit that support. Once you hit the support, this becomes a very bearish situation, guys. And this is the actual post I put in the bull ring, guys, in the live trading room. I said if we get past this actual support line there, we are going to head up to about an extra $5.60. Okay, if we don't, we will come down about $10, guys. Okay, and we ended up coming down $14 instead. At the end of the day, this is just the beginning. I will show you where this ended up. Okay, I saw this happen here, guys, this wick, and I said we're not going to make it. So of course I jumped into puts, guys, and I ended up selling right in here. Okay, if you have this indicator, guys, it is super easy peasy. Look at that. Put signal, you're in. Okay, from the put signal, guys, this was about a $6 to $7 drop. You can't go wrong with. All right, now you guys know that Nvidia is very reactive and it moves QQQ and SPY. So today, when I saw this rejection, guys, I said, this is over. Look at that. They tried to pump it up. That's a big, long candle. And look at this. We came under the cloud on the dominator. I got a put signal. I also got my dominator assistant that told me this is getting super bearish. Okay. And of course, we had a gigantic drop, guys. Okay. How much was that drop? Well, I'm glad you asked because you need to know what the dominator can do for you guys. Look at that. Okay. From that top candle, guys, it was a 14 and 88 cents drop. And of course, QQQ will follow. And from the top of this wick, guys, all the way to the bottom. Okay. This was a total of almost $19 drop. So let's just say you caught the signal at the put sign, guys. Okay, let's draw that out. So at the put signal, you grabbed it and you just held strong and you waited till the end of the day, guys. That's a $14 drop. A $90 contract would have made you $1,500 today, guys. How do I know that? Take a wild guess. One contract, $1,500, guys. And of course, I'm sure you guys are asking, well, what about SPY? I play SPY. Okay, look at this. SPY on the daily gave us the put signal from hell there, guys. And since that signal, SPY has gone down a total of $25. Now, in the bull ring, I did tell them, well, we lose this support. This is now a free money zone. Okay, that means that they're just going to free fall after that. And sure enough, they went down $5.68, guys. Okay. This is the same thing on the 10-minute time frame, just like QQQ. We started the day and we rejected up here. And if you like to play SPY, guys, okay, look at that total drop from the top rejection was $13. If you're playing on the 10-minute, guys, you had two entries today. Okay, that's the $3 entry on the first one. And then on the second one, you had an $8 drop. Okay. You cannot beat that with a stick. Now, if you like playing on the 30-minute, guys, I always suggest if you're a new trader, play on the higher time frames. And of course, we got the put signal here, guys. Nice drop again, $3 and change. Okay. But you never got a call signal. So you would stay in and you would enjoy an $11 drop. Okay. That is if you are playing on the 30-minute time frame. Now, look at this put signal. We came down total of $18. One contract would have made you over $3,000, guys. Okay. This indicator pays for itself and it's going to pay for a lot of things like vacations to Cancun and Mexico. All right. Lastly, I want to look at my bull bear control indicator, guys. This is a free indicator. If you guys are interested, hit me up in the DMs or send me an email to Coach Avalos at bullringtrading.com. I will send you this indicator for free, guys. This tells me who's winning. Is it the bulls or the bears? And you can see right now that the bears 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row. And here's the biggest part, guys. Okay, on the weekly, we just got a nice bear signal right in there. Look at that. Okay, on the weekly, we are now officially bearish. So the market will see a downtrend next week. Okay, once that indicator turns on, it's going to take a lot of money to get out of that bearish trend. Now, if you're worried about a market crash, guys, let me just show you the last time we had a market crash was here. Look at that. Okay. It started down here. This is where we're at. We are nowhere near any type of market crash. So I would not freak out for now. Okay. Enjoy the dip. Buy stocks when they get cheap, guys. If you don't have an indicator that tells you where the bottom is at, again, I've got this indicator. I've got the Dominator, guys. I will help you out. I will coach you up, and you will know when is the perfect time to start buying this dip. Okay. The market is going to come back. Don't you worry about that. But we are headed down for now. And if you don't know how to make money, you definitely need to take advantage of the courses down below. I'm going to leave you guys a nice couple of links so that you can take advantage of the courses. And remember, guys, as always, if these videos are adding value to you, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get a actual alert when I put up the next video. Okay, don't forget, guys, we have one more day tomorrow, and then we have the weekend. Until the next video, take care.